Hi, this is Güliz Öztürk. I'm from Pegasus Airlines. I'm the Senior Vice President Commercial, responsible from Sales and Marketing. Today we are in Milan because we want to introduce Pegasus Airlines to Italy. Pegasus Airlines, as of 30th of July, meaning at the end of, by the end of this month, starting to fly to Rome and Milan, each daily services from Istanbul. Just to introduce Pegasus Airlines a bit, Pegasus Airlines is the only low-cost carrier of Turkey. We have 32 aircraft, brand new Boeing 737-800s, and we have a purchase order of 40 new Boeing 737-800s from Boeing, which we expect to receive until the end of 2015. So this means that a growing fleet. We have carried about 6 million passengers last year total, and this year our target is to carry over 8 million passengers. Now Italy will be in our network. We fly to 23 destinations internationally. Most of them are in Europe. Actually, we think that we're late to be in Italy. Finally, we are starting to fly. We will be sellable through our website, but also our flights can be booked through travel agencies, tour operators, through our call center. So we are a low-cost carrier, a pure low-cost carrier, but we also work with our travel agencies because we think that they are our important partners, and we value our relationship with our travel agencies, and we work with them. We also we fly to Istanbul, but we will be giving connections to about 12 destinations in Turkey, to Bodrum, Antalya, Ankara, Izmir, which are the famous ones, or Cappadocia. So this also presents an important network, an important alternative for Italy, I believe. Pegasus is owned by Esas Holding. Esas Holding is a Turkish holding company owned by Sabancı family, and Esas Holding also owns 18% share of Air Berlin as of the end of last year, and also interested in the aviation sector, and this actually shows the commitment of Esas Holding to the aviation sector. We will be growing as Pegasus Airlines our fleet until the end of 2015 to more than 45 aircraft, and if we are successful in Italy with our Milan and Rome routes, we will definitely grow in Italy, adding new destinations to our network and having a greater availability and possibility of flights both for Turkish and Italian people. Thank you.